AMG, the performance division of Mercedes-Benz, has built some of the most exhilarating and powerful cars in the automotive world, but there's something extra special about their pre-merger models. If you're a car enthusiast who appreciates automotive history and craftsmanship, a rare piece of AMG's early work is currently up for auction. The 1984 Mercedes-Benz 500 SEL 5.0 AMG, affectionately known as Blueberry, is not just a luxury sedan, it's a rare and valuable piece of automotive history. AMG was founded in 1967 by two former Mercedes engineers, Werner Aufrecht and Erhard Melcher, with a mission to tune and enhance Mercedes vehicles to extraordinary levels of performance. From the start, AMG became renowned for its bespoke engineering, offering unique, high-performance versions of Mercedes models. These early AMG cars were far more than just upgraded versions, they were meticulously crafted masterpieces that combined German luxury with motorsport-inspired enhancements. The 1984 Mercedes 500 SEL 5.0 AMG, Blueberry, is a perfect example of this philosophy. Originally, the car was a standard German spec 500 SEL, but it was transformed by AMG into a high-performance luxury sedan that could rival even the most serious sports cars of its time. The car was commissioned by AMG's boss, Aufrecht, as a personal gift for Richard Buxbaum, the founder of Classic Motors in Illinois, and it was tailored specifically for him. What makes this car so remarkable is that it was the personal vehicle of the very people who helped shape AMG's early legacy. This stunning 500 SEL was not just a flashy luxury car, it was also upgraded for optimal performance. The vehicle underwent a full transformation, starting with a sports suspension system from Bilstein, which improved its handling and ride quality. It was resprayed in a stunning lapis blue metallic, a color that adds to the vehicle's aggressive yet elegant appearance. The front and rear aprons were also upgraded to improve aerodynamics and give the car a more assertive, mean look. Under the hood, the 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 was significantly upgraded. The engine now features a sports exhaust system, including tubular headers and twin mufflers, which not only improve performance but also create a distinctive exhaust note that sets the car apart from other luxury sedans. With these upgrades, the 500 SEL 5.0 AMG was transformed into a high-performance vehicle, offering a blend of speed, luxury, and style that was unparalleled at the time. What makes this car even more interesting is its history. After Buxbaum used the car as his daily driver for over a year, it was sold to Vermont billionaire Richard B. Cohen. Cohen owned the car for 5 years before selling it back to Buxbaum. Over the years, Buxbaum made numerous attempts to buy the car back, and in 2022, his persistence finally paid off. He reacquired the car and began a full restoration to return it to its original glory. Now, after years of dedication and meticulous restoration, this one-of-a-kind piece of AMG history is up for auction, with an estimated selling price between $150,000 and $200,000. For any car enthusiast or collector, owning a piece of early AMG history is a rare opportunity that doesn't come around often. Whether you're a fan of vintage Mercedes-Benz cars or a lover of performance engineering, the Blueberry offers an exceptional glimpse into the early days of AMG. If you've been dreaming of adding an iconic vehicle to your collection, or if you simply appreciate the craftsmanship and history behind it, this 1984 Mercedes 500 SEL 5.0 AMG Blueberry is an auction opportunity you don't want to miss. You can check out the full listing and place a bid on this rare classic through RM Sotheby's. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history that truly represents the spirit of AMG and its legendary founder.